Hey foodies, what's up? Welcome to my hotel room. So, oh my gosh. Anyway, thank you for answering. You took mad long. Anyway, so yes, this is a FaceTime. I'm calling you right now. So when I call you, answer. Anyway, so the other day, let me put you vertical. Hold on. Okay, so the other day, I made chick-fil-a sandwich for the first time. And it actually won pretty decent. So I have here the video. Let me hold on. So here I have the little video and I'm gonna go over it with you. I don't have the measurements, so I'm gonna put that on the screen. So I use chicken thighs. So use chicken thighs. I don't know why people use chicken breast, because no. Anyway, so I went ahead and brine it, okay, girl, in pickle juice. So I did that for about 2 hours. You know, I let it soak in there, you know, the chicken thighs, you know, let it soak with that juice. So I didn't use gloves, so if you don't like that, I'm sorry, girl. Kisses, okay? I'm sorry. I know some people don't like that. I'm sorry. You know, like, my hands were clean, okay? Anyways, so look at that, okay? Now, let's go ahead and make the flour, you know, mix, okay? So you need flour, all purpose, not bread flour, okay? Steven, thank you, man. Anyway, so I went ahead and added some seasoning. I added some salt, garlic powder. I added some black pepper, because hello, you need black pepper. And then I added some paprika, and then at the end, I forgot, but I did add some sugar powder. Okay, so I went ahead and added that, mix it all together, blah blah blah, quick. So yeah, with the wet mixture, is literally milk and egg. I season it with a little bit of salt. You don't have to, but just a little bit, just a sprinkle, you know, and then mix it all together, okay? And then you're ready. Let me tell you, this is easy. So now take the chicken thighs out of the pickle juice, okay? Don't drink that, because you may go somewhere. You may go to the hospital, okay? Just letting you know. So go ahead and dry that. Get some paper towels. Make sure you dry that chicken thigh, okay? And then soak it into the dry mixture, okay? Squish that thing in, okay? Make sure you get it in, okay? And then put it into the wet mixture, okay? And then with the other hand, put it to the dry mixture again. Yes, we're doing this twice. And then put it on the side for now, okay? Okay, perfect. Now, I use vegetable oil to deep fry these, okay? You're supposed to use peanut oil. I don't have money for that, so vegetable oil it is. So, yes. I think it was 350 degrees high or something like that. I don't know. I put it on number 7 on my stove, okay? Number 7. That's pretty high, okay? So make sure you cook that on golden brown and crispy and beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And then just put it on a rack, please. Let it, let that greasiness flow out, okay? Because you don't want that oil in there. You know what I mean? So I use brioche buns. I went ahead and toasted that with some butter, okay? Butter, yes. Toast both sides, quick. Let's go ahead and assemble this. So super easy. Get your bun, put your pickles, put your chicken breast or your chicken thighs, the other bun, and you're done. You can add ranch. I went ahead and added some ranch. I'm sorry, this shirt, oh my goodness. So when I had added, you can add ranch if you want to, whatever sauce you want, girl, whatever sauce you want. And let me tell you, this tastes better than chick-fil-a. Better than chick-fil-a. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me let you know, make it, because if I did it, girl, let me tell you, if I made it, you can make it, girl. You can make it. Let me let you know. Let me know what other recipe you want me to try. Use the hair. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.